Aloha, my name is Yasmin Salome, and today my presentation is on Moana Beach sand loss. Here is some photos of Moana's park history. An erosion problem at Moana Beach is exposing a rocky coastline. Now the city is working on a plan to replenish the sand. A project to repair canal walls and replace bridges at Moana Regional Park. Wider pedestrian bridges near Queen and Pi'ikoi streets to align with existing Moana Boulevard crosswalks. Shown is a map of Magic Island picnic sites and facilities. Beach sand replenishment and sand nourishment is loading sand onto eroding beaches. It's considered a more eco-friendly alternative to other solutions like seawalls that can exacerbate erosion. The project is to dredge offshore sand to cover the shoreline from Magic Island to Kewalo Basin, restoring the beach to its 1957 profile. Here is a map of the project. Sand replenishment doesn't usually last very long. They have to replenish again in a few years. Equilibrates, not achieve. At Moana, the plan is to dredge an estimated 70,000 cubic yards of sand from an offshore site 2,000 feet makai of the closest surf break. With enough sand to fill 21 Olympic swimming pools, it will be one of the largest beach nourishment projects in Hawaii history, according to data collected by the American Shore and Beach Preservation Association. This is the community action plan. One is hire more staff, renovate comfort stations, repair Magic Island exercise paths, irrigate Great Lawn, fix rocky beach areas, beautify the park, build a new playground, make the park safer, and local favorites in the concessions. The only one in progress is build a new playground. Thanks for watching.